Hello and welcome to today's video. Thank you for checking out this video. So today I just want to show you guys how far I've gone on my YouTube channel. So it's actually my YouTube journey. So I think every month, end of the month, I'll be making a review of how far I've gone each and every month. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button under this video. Yes, just click on the subscribe button right here, and then you'll be subscribed to my channel. You see the subscribe button under the video. Just subscribe, and then you always get more of my videos. So today, let's see how far I've gone on my YouTube channel. It's very simple. I've got about 2,000. I got about 2,915 views this month for the month of September. 2,915 views in the last 28 days, and currently on 256 subscribers. That's just quarter, a little above quarter of what I actually need before I can my channel can become monetized. So how much have I actually earned on YouTube? Let's see. So right now I've earned your estimated revenue is currently, you can see, is just blank. It's a dash that's actually showing right there. So if I head over here, then click on the monetization tab, so you'll see here how the exact how far actually my YouTube channel has gone. So right now I have 258 subscribers, and I'm heading over to 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 required, and then 505 public watch hours, which I'm also going to 4,000 required. So you can see it's actually complements together. Big here, I'm just a quarter to my targets, and the same thing here, 5. Okay, this is actually 1/8. Or yes, 1/8. So it's still way behind. So I think this would be easier to attain than the public watch hours. But I think this is much more easier. Yes, once the subscribers are in, I think the public watch hours is not that difficult. So that's all about my YouTube journey, and I want to appreciate everyone who has been my subscriber. Yes, it's you guys that's been, you guys have been the one actually pushing my channel forward, getting the views and the engagements and everything. Thank you very much. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Just click on the button on this video, subscribe. You're going to get valued video content on how to different ways you can make money online. I'm going to assure you'll be getting lots and lots of value. So you can just click on the YouTube name, online monthly income. It's going to bring you right here. Yes, once you click on the name right here, online, just click on the YouTube name, which is here, the YouTube channel name, online monthly income. Once you click here, that's going to bring you to my channel area. So you can see here, so you can just click on videos, then you see lots and lots of videos that you can actually go ahead and start watching right away, and they are all full of value. Yes, you're going to let something inside each of the videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is John Anna Violori. So if you have any question, you can just drop in the comment section. You can like the video, you can share, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you, and bye bye.